What up, Pearlettes? Okay, so today I have a special video for you guys. I am doing a collaboration with my YouTube bestie, Tamika, here on the YT. Me and her have been rocking for at least 5 years, and we have always been in communication with each other. Over the years, we have so many collabs here on the YT. I will try to find those videos and all 800 of my videos and try to post them down below. But I want you to check out her channel and go over there and subscribe to my YouTube bestie. So we are doing a collaboration, and the theme is spring. You know, I just did a springtime look, and it is totally different from this one. As you can see, I got some neon going on. I got the neon going on. Okay, so I have some neon going on. Okay, I have some lime green, turquoise, some blue, royal blue, purple, neon yellow, neon orange, neon pink, purple lip, highlight, contour, bam! And we are ready to do this. So I am so excited to do this collaboration with my sis, because we always do a collaboration. This is the main person that I always do collaborations with on the YT. Her blend game is so strong. You guys have to definitely go over there to her channel, subscribe to her, and check her out. A lot of our subscribers are the same, because I could tell, because when I comment, they basically, we both have the same subscribers. But we are, you know, we do so many collabs together that you can't help it but to be subscribed to both of us. So like I said, this theme is springtime, and I'm super excited to do this collab with her, because it's been about 3 years, because the last time we did a collab, I just had Sunday. So what, 4 years, because Sunday just turned 4 in April. So yeah, I'm excited. Okay, so I will link all the collaboration videos that we have down below. Matter of fact, I'm going to create a playlist. If you want to check out those videos, go ahead and check out that video, those videos. I will leave the link down to the last spring tutorial that I did down below. And yeah, so if you want to see how your girl created this look, then to continue to watch. Hi Tamika, I love you. Can't wait to see your look. I can't wait. Okay, talk to you soon. Hope you like it, guys. Bye. Okay, so first we're going to start off with this foundation. This is Black Radiant Soft Focus in Creamy Bronze Finish. And this is going to be our transitional shade. So I'm just going to place that in the crease with a large fluffy brush. The first bright color we're going to use is this green neon pigment that I purchased off of Amazon. The brand is Moon. It came with 5 shades. So I'm just going to use this vibrant green to place on 1/3 of the eyelid. And I'm just going to pack it on, because you know neon shadows are real patchy sometimes. So I'm going to go ahead and put like 3 layers of this neon green to make it more vibrant. The next color we're going to go into is Kimchi by Sugar Peel, which is a beautiful aqua color. And we're just going to place this on the second part of the lid. And we're also going to overlap it with the green, so the colors could go in a gradient effect like the other eye. So next we're going to go into my Urban Decay Electric palette, which has some beautiful bright neon colors in it. And I'm going to take this beautiful blue right here, which is called Gonzo, and we're going to place that right next to Kimchi. And we're also going to leave a little space for another color in this palette, so just continue to watch. So now we're going to go in with this other blue in the electric palette. This one is called Chaos, which is a royal blue. And we're going to place that on the outer V. And we're going to blend that into Gonzo. So now we're going in with Poison Plum by Sugar Peel, and we're just going to place this in the crease and the outer V, and this is to help blend out Chaos and Gonzo, and this is what color that is going to bring the look all together. Going to line my waterline with the white pencil, and this is to brighten the eyes. I didn't know what color to use in the waterline since I have like 20 of them on my eye, so I went in with white. For the next, for the lower lash line, we're going to use 3 neon colors, yellow, orange, and pink. We're going to place the yellow in the inner eye, the orange in the center, and the pink on the outer. For brow bone highlight, we're going to use my all-time favorite, Blame It On Midnight, and we're just going to pack that on with a large shader brush. Lashes, liner, and mascara off camera. And then we're going to go in with Tarte Shape Tape to highlight. And this is in the color Deep. So I'm going to place that under the eyes, on the nose, cupid's bow, chin, and forehead as usual. We're going to set all those highlighted areas with Sasha Buttercup, and we're just going to pack that on with a damp beauty blender. We're going to set the rest of the face with midnight powders and the sienna and chestnut mix, and we're just going to place that all over the face, even over the highlighted areas. The lippy I'm going to use is called Guess, and this is by Collab. And we're just going to place this on the lips and then blend it out, and then that is almost a completed look. Okay guys, so this is the completed look. I hope you guys like. Don't forget to go to my sister's channel and check out her beautiful makeup look. And don't forget to subscribe to her. And for you, her subscribers, go ahead and subscribe to me because there's more collabs in the future. So thank you guys for tuning in. Don't forget to please rate, comment, and subscribe. And I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.